Whether you're just using the car daily or getting ready for that big trip, there are a few things worth checking before you go anywhere. First up, the lights. Check each circuit one at a time. It's good to have someone to help. If any of the lights are not working, it could be a fuse or a light bulb. If it's not the fuse and the bulb does need replacing, then it's best to get a new one from your nearest Suzuki service centre. Make sure you get the right wattage, and if you're changing the bulb yourself, refer to your owner's manual for installation. Never touch the halogen bulb, as the oils from your skin could cause it to overheat and even burst. Also, if you're travelling to mainland Europe, then make sure you check the compulsory equipment checklist on the Suzuki website. Next, the wipers. Having a clear view is vital. You don't want any streaks or stains on the windscreen, and the wipers should provide an even clean. It may help to give them a wipe with a soapy sponge or a bit of tissue and some washer fluid. If you do need new ones, get the right ones from your Suzuki service centre and ask them to fit them for you. Use a good quality screen wash and make sure you mix it according to the instructions. Now the tyres. It's vital they're in good condition, with no signs of excessive wear and tear or damage. You also want to check the tyre pressure. Ideally, when the tyres are cold, you can find the correct pressure information on the pillar of the driver's door and make sure they're not over or underinflated using a pressure gauge. One other safety consideration is the passenger airbag. Make sure to turn it off when a child seat is rearward fitted in the front passenger seat. You can find the airbag lock on the side of the glove compartment. Unclip the key from your fob and turn. The airbag light will change. Safety checks done, we're good to go.